Hello and a warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be underway very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. The teams then, Sporting Lisbon against Marseille. My name's Peter Drury and here's my co-commentator for the game, it's Jim Beglin.
Thanks Peter, hello everybody. Ready to see what unfolds in this one now.
The instantly recognisable sound of the UEFA Champions League anthem, the perfect backdrop to this eagerly awaited night of European football. A quick look at the lineups. Got things underway. Battles to win it back. Højbjerg tries lifting it over. Defence has got rid of that. He'll have a dip! They've scored!
And what a great way to start the game, to spark the game. I mean, the captain has basically triggered a contest that should be even livelier than we anticipated. Get your seatbelts on, this could be rather exciting.
Absolutely thundered in, keeper no chance.
Yeah, I just thought he made great use of his upper body there. It would have taken something really special to keep that out.
Marseille have an early lead. Good start. Tries a through ball. Gets it back. Good defending there. They've slammed the door in the faces of the opposition. Now here's the through ball. Gets into some space. And out to safety. Looking to shoot. Really smart interplay.
They used the 1-2 to great effect in working their way through the middle then. A little more luck though and they may have been celebrating.
Passes it through. Now, can he capitalise? The ball's come loose and the chase is on. Well, that's not the cross he had in mind. Marseille are already ahead, the perfect start.
What a good start to the game. I think their play has been fast and...
Whistle's gone, that's a foul. He spotted the run and played him through. Marseille scoring in the first 10 minutes to give them a 1-0 lead. Could try cutting inside here. That looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Sporting Lisbon get it back again. Tries a through ball. Oh, great save, real class.
Keeper has shown great concentration there. I think his anticipation pretty much did the trick for him.
Played it short. Pumps it into the area. Can he put it away? Really well taken goal. They are right back in business.
Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance.
That has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Look, get your seatbelts on, because this is showing all the signs of another roller coaster ride.
Promising move that. Good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Out wide to the right. Good challenge, he just stood firm. It's going to be another throw. It's a promising run he's making on the right. Gets it back. And it's corner. And it's been taken short. Tries to get it forward quickly. So midway through the first half, and it is a tight old tie. Sporting Lisbon have a free kick. Højbjerg battles to win it back. Pumps it upfield. Trying to play, and it is a goal kick. Cuts it out, looks to slip it through. To the keeper and try something new. Tries a long pass towards the front. What a throw in. Crossfield, changing the point of attack. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there. Now the pass. Still going, where to next? Chance to shoot. And oh! Højbjerg tries the route one option. Looks like a good ball through. Goes to the cross. Oh, just couldn't turn it in.
Oh, they really wanted that. There's so many players in the box. Everyone's committed to attack now.
Gets up to head it! Oh, and with that, the half-time whistle goes. So we reach the halfway point.
It's been a could-have, should-have first half. Both sides could have been in front, and certainly each should have scored more goals. And while it's nerve-wracking for the supporters, I think the neutrals will be happy to lap up another 45 minutes.
It's been a decent 45 minutes. Competitive, certainly, and a goal each. Oh, good interception. All the way back, and they start again. It's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. Great run this, he's covered quite a distance. Ball's out on the left now. Hit into the middle. Goal! Marseille! And they get themselves in front! Given such an open invitation, he was always going to shoot.
And that's what the game is all about. Find space and finish, but we have to credit the pass to pick him out.
Marseille go into the lead. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. Tries a through ball. One! They've scored! 2 up and threatening to pull clear. What about that, Jim Beglin?
Yeah, it looks simple, Peter, but it requires intelligent use of space and good understanding to pull it off.
Some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Marseille 2 up and into a position of real strength.
Look, this position ought to convince them to increase their lead. I think they should be really positive about this now, Peter.
Looks to thread it through. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. It's on the end of it. Good, strong hand by the keeper. He scores! He was really quick to react to the initial save, and he has his reward.
Look, that's one of the first things you learn, whether you're a striker or not. Just anticipate a goalkeeping parry or spillage, and sometimes you'll get lucky. It'll come your way.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Listen, goals change games, and that has changed the whole complexion of this one. They have the momentum now.
Well played, he saw that coming. Now the pass. Well positioned to make that interception. Looks to slip it through. Keeper's got good distance on that.
This defence is wary about opposition pace.
So they're just not getting too tight?
Yeah, they know that if they step up, their keeper could get a whole lot busier.
Good challenge, he just stood firm. Great ball, and now the shot. Thrust towards the front line. Ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Deftly done. Danger averted for now. On the right now, what's on? Boots it upfield. This is quite a run, and he's not done yet. Dashing forward at pace. And it's the goalkeeper's to claim. Lobs it in gently. In the end, they found themselves penned in, nowhere to go. Passes it through. Gets it upfield. Marseille need to hold on for a few more moments. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Has gone out. Who's going to make this theirs? He's made sure that that won't get through. Looks to slip it through. Crosses one in. Gets his head to it! He was well picked out, just needed... And time is up. Marseille winners by the odd goal. It really could have gone either way, but a win is a win. Your final thoughts, Jim?
Well, I think when you score with your first effort and goal, there's a good chance that things are going to go your way for the rest of the game. And to be fair, they used the impetus it gave them to gain a level of control, and I think they went on and deserved to win.
So thank you very much, Jim, for joining me. That brings us to the end of our coverage. So from us both, a very good evening.